you described that pain in that lower back, on that buttock area, traveling all the way down the leg.
Right.
In comparison to before we met, and at this stage, what would you say?
The pain is not there. It's gone 100%.
100%?
Yes. From last, I would say, 1 month.
Last 1 month, yeah? You're not feeling that
No
pain
pain,
anymore.
nothing.
How is this for you day to day? When going to sleep?
It's like I'm back to the normal life. So no pain at all in any posture.
Please describe what it used to be like beforehand. Where would you get the
Before,
pain and what would
It
happen?
was like if I'm sitting in this posture, the pain will start after 5-10 minutes. I'll start walking, the pain is there.
Where would the pain be?
Pain travels
From
bottom to toe.
From the bottom to right to the toe?
Yeah, on my right leg.
In the right leg?
Yes, but now it's not good. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Sleeping for you, how was that at night?
It's good.
Before we started, were you taking painkillers or medication? Well, how were you
Yes.
trying to manage it?
It was painkillers because I was seeing an orthopedic surgeon. So normally they only give painkillers or the muscle relaxants. So they will just affect for an hour, 2 hours, and then it's again the pain starts.
And how long had you been going through that?
Since January.
January, yeah? So January until good.
Until I visited here in end of June.
So good.
6
Almost
months.
6 months. You had been trying that method,
Yes.
but it didn't work for you. And so you came here. And how have you felt your evaluation was? Was it understandable from our examination?
Yes.
And what was going on?
Everything explained good in a nice way. And it works for me. I'm happy with this.
You've had a good response.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, we've taken some updated images to assess your posture and your joint position. You seem to be progressing exactly as expected.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah, you're doing so well. You've done so well.
Thank you.
I appreciate you for being so consistent with your care. That is a big part.
Okay.
It appears, the evidence is showing that you've been doing your exercises, yeah? You've been
Yes.
regular with your appointments, and you've had a positive outlook, and that's always important as well. Yeah? So,
definitely.
Alhamdulillah, I thank you for your commitment, and inshallah, I would advise that we do our best to maintain it.
Thank you.
Inshallah. Right, good stuff. Right,